beef brisket and mushroom red wine pie. Sounds kind of fancy, but we've made it super simple for you. Dice up a carrot, now some mushrooms. So this pie has got a red wine reduction that goes into it, which we've pre-done for you. But the other secret ingredient, miso, adding it to any savoury dish just brings that savoury flavour up a notch. And on the heat, man, I still fail this intelligence test. You'd think it would be power first.
Yeah, no.
Drizzle of olive oil, onion and the carrot, and whoop, escapey carrot. 5-second rule.
You put it back in.
Yeah.
Your kids like mushrooms?
No, but they don't know that they actually quite like them because I sneak them in. You grate them, and then they don't know. Mushies in, bit of salt. We're gonna put in the beef, the brisket, magic miso, stock, and the red wine reduction.
What would we typically find you doing whilst it's cooking?
Folding the washing. Nothing that exciting. You get a bit of a sense for how boring my life is, eh? Mix some corn flour with water, add this in. That will thicken up that gravy really nicely. Another little special touch to it is some mozzarella. It's gonna melt underneath and go gooey. Now this piece of pastry, I'm literally just gonna stretch it out a bit and put it on top. Stab a few holes, whisk up an egg, brush it over the top. I'm just gonna pop this into the oven. That's gonna take about 25 minutes or so. Pie filling bubbling away. So this is just a meal on its own. Oh, look at that mozzarella! And see how deliciously tender and shreddable the brisket is. No word of a lie. That is such a good pie. That miso just gives it that real savoury oomph. If this one pot pie looks like a bit of you, make sure you check out our winter menu.
That's awesome.
Delicious, eh?